तो इसके गिफ्ट करने का आपको भी बोलिएगा।
अच्छा नहीं, मैं मेरे मुझसे एडवांस ले लो। आई विल बी द इन्वेस्टर इन योर कंपनी।
So in this presentation made by me, in this presentation I'm telling you everything which I learned in this class and what I was able to learn, and so let's start. So from this class we learned that we build robots to enhance human capability, safety and efficiency. They are designed to automate repetitive tasks, take over hazardous jobs to extreme environments like space or toxic zones, and perform operations requiring microscopic precision. Ultimately, robots allow us to achieve scale and protect human life. A machine is any device or apparatus that uses energy to perform or assist with tasks. It primarily processes is to make work easier by multiplying force, increasing speed, or changing the direction of the energy applied.
Can you tell me in your words what is machine?
So,
In your words.
in the class, man told us an easier way to understand it as a machine is a mechanical object which works on its own by some codes or some instructions given. It hears that instruction, it takes in the input, processes it, and then gives out the output as a work.
Good.
So the first code which we learned here was how to blink an LED. So in it we have first have to do that int LED equals 13 and then semicolon, then void setup pin mode bracket LED. Let's start actually. It will be small LED comma capital output bracket and then semicolon. Then it's in close curly bracket. Then in void loop we write digital write equals small in small writing bracket LED comma in capital high bracket close and semicolon. Then the next line delay and bracket open 1000 bracket close semicolon. Then the next step we have to repeat it, and when we have to take it and if it's right, then we do the practical work and we process it. So we can see the work in the practical work which you have done.
Just a moment. Take the thing. What will happen if you put there 1000 instead of 1000? You put there 5000. What will be change?
The duration of the LED time to blink will become slower, and the LED will take more. LED will take more time to blink again.
So glow time and off time will be same or different?
Not different. As glow time will be more and blink time would be less.
Why?
In blink time it would be the same, but it will be bright for a long time, and it would stop and again blink and again start. Means if it's 100, 1000, so it will
I'm
glow.
talking about this delay. The delay, last line.
Delay. Yeah, so in this that it is telling us that when high means when it's on. So in this code it says that the time it should be on and the time it should be off is equal. But if the delay which is low which is in low, it would
Mode.
on pin mode. So in pin mode we mean that it is the mode by which it is the mode of the pin of it which is the pin is LED, or it is the mode of the pin to be
What we decide?
pin mode is the I don't know this one. Is the title of the LED and output. So it is the mode of LED that it is output.
Yes.
Not the LED, but that particular pin.
Pin.
Okay.
Here you can decide the mode of the pin.
Whether
Is
the
it-
pin has to be used as an input or as out.
Okay.
Good.
So after this, we did ion sensor, which was not actually in our syllabus. But that should put that. I picked up RGB. So in the RGB light, it has red, green, and blue. So in it, when we mix all the colors, then we have new colors. So if we want white color, every RGB, R means red, green, and blue. So we need red, green, and blue both. If both of them are in mass means 255, then we get white light. And as they're different, we get different lights. So in this code, that's a hex code after color. It's the RGB one, and HSL is that one I don't know. Or TCS or color sensor. The TCS 3200 is a programmable color to frequency converter that detects the visible colors. It shines light on an object, measures the reflect light, and outputs a square wave signal whose frequency is directly proportional to the intensity of the detected color. So this happens like there are 4 LEDs. Therefore, it becomes white and start glows. It senses the color, and in the middle of that, there's a. You can see this thing there. There are pixels like red, green, blue, and no filter. So if there in the code, if it is given, and if there's new color, so that no pixel is no filter is being used, and the colors from RGB are mixed, and the color is formed. And if we in the code we are given red, and there's some and which is smaller is cathode. Cathode means minus and anode means plus. Thank you.
Done? Wonderful. Nice presentation. But I will be happy if you show us anything practical. Can you connect this with Arduino?
Yes, but it's a code. The code is too long and I don't remember the code.
You don't remember the code? That's different thing. But can you connect this, like do the wiring?
Yes.
He will take. क्या चाहिए आप अपना ढूंढो.
मैंने नीचे Arduino ID
नॉर्मल आईडी.
ये आइसकोर्स चल रही है
Yes. वो शुरू है
दूसरा मतलब
Class. Then how you will do it
next year.
next year? Problem is solve हो गया मैम. Would you like to continue it in online mode? चलेगा? पेशेंस है अपने पास वो वायर्स वगैरह ढूंढने के? घर पे तो आपको ही ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
कर जाएगी.
अरे फिर लगेगा ना.
Kit, then we will have to buy a kit.
अच्छा ये ज़्यादा था.
He is behind me. Like I have bought some STEM kits for him. वो जो toys आते हैं ना, तो 1, 2, 3 खरीद के दिए. वो 2 ही दिन में उसको बार बार बना के अब मैं बोर हो गया.
अपने पास भी स्टेम का ठीक है
है ना. We have the STEM kit, but अरे वो उससे ऊपर है.
वो अलग चीज है उसके लिए वो है मतलब इट इज जस्ट आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है सही उसको मजा आएगा उसको करने में.
वो तो वो कर लेता है. वो गाड़ी वाड़ी बनाना उसने एक STEम किट में था. ठीक है,
But you should have the patience. ऐसा बहुत स्लो चलेगा करेगा. चलेगा. क्या होना है बड़ा होके? रोबोटिक्स इंजीनियर. Done?
गाड़ी की कंपनी खोली.
अरे
कार में भी तो
गाड़ी की
रोबोटिक्स
कंपनी
यूज
खोल
करना है ना. सारे वायर्स आपको समझेंगे तभी तो कार का जो मशीनरी बनाओगे.
तो ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियर बनना है.
Best.
बेस्ट कार.
Better than
बेटर देन.
Rolls-Royce.
सर मेरी प्लीज एक गाड़ी बुक कर लीजिए.
मैम मैंने ऑलरेडी अपने टीचर को प्रॉमिस किया गिफ्ट करने का. आपको भी करूँगा.
अच्छा नहीं मैं मेरे मुझसे एडवांस ले लो. आई विल बी द इन्वेस्टर इन योर कंपनी. वंडरफुल. ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है इसका ना एक वीडियो बना लो इन लोगों को.